Union Minister of Civil Aviation Ram Mohan Naidu Kinjarapu today emphasized the importance of honoring tribal leaders who fought to preserve cultural identity, rights and freedom, acknowledging the vital role of these communities in India's history and independence. He said this at the Janjatiya Gaurav Divas celebrations organized by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs at the State Convention Centre. Meanwhile, the Department of Arts and Culture today organized the state-level launch of Janjatiya Divas at the Conference Room, Main Secretariat. This day marks the birth anniversary of Bhagwan Birsa Munda, a tribal leader and freedom fighter whose legacy continues to inspire. During the occasion, the state also honored and remembered the immense contribution of revered freedom fighters like Tirat Singh, Kyang Nangba, Patogan Sangma, Phan Nonglat and many others.
The tribal pride and genius, which started tribal art, tribal genius. So apart from honoring the contributions of the...
We are taking inspiration from our ancestors, from the leaders that have fought for the freedom, from the leaders who have inspired us to work for the people in the service of the people, and we are going to continue in the future. And I especially coming here to the northeast and being able to participate in the Janjatiya Gaurav Divas because I come from state of Andhra Pradesh, which is the southern part of India, and I also in my constituency Srikakulam, I have certain tribal population. It's a good fortune of mine to be in the state of Meghalaya celebrating this day in front of so many tribal brothers and sisters.
Today we have moved closer where we should know, our children and future generations should know about our own real hearts of this land of ours. So it's a very significant event, and also the fact that it celebrates the sense of freedom that we as proud tribals would always espouse.